Hey guys, welcome to this video. This is a rational expression and we just want to simplify it. So these are all going to be handled the same way. You want to factor the top and bottom and then cancel any terms that are the same. I'll show you. So to factor the top, we want to pull out a GCF here. X squared can be pulled out of both these terms. So now we want to ask ourselves, x squared times what would give us x cubed? And that's going to be x plus, and then x squared times what would give us 2x squared, and that's 2. So now the top is factored, and we did that by GCF. Now the bottom, this is a trinomial, so it's going to be one of these things with the 2 parentheses. And we want two numbers that multiply to 2 and add to 3. Well, two numbers that multiply to 2 and add to 3 are going to be 1 and 2. If you want more practice on how I factor the bottom, I'll include a link to a video right here. You guys can try that. And then from here, we have x plus 2's that cancel. And now our final answer is x squared over x plus 1. And then we usually want to include that x can't equal -2 because of the fact that this would have given us 0 on bottom. And even though we canceled it, it's still kind of there because it was there in the original one. So this should be the answer to the question. And yes, that is the answer. If you want to try more of these, I have a page on andymath.com. I'll show it to you right now. So here's the page on andymath.com. I'll include a link down below in the description, but it has a bunch more of these. Here's the one we just did, number 1. And there's a lot more of these you can try, and it shows the answers to them. There's a lot of them. There's 8 of them you can try out. Up at the top, if you hit expand notes, you can see another sample broken out for you, and it shows all the steps. So I'll include a link down below in the description. Feel free to check it out. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel. It really helps. And I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.